I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this, I'm burning for.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. I am very excited that you are here for another motivational cleaning video. This one is a outdoor clean with me. We are going to clean the barbecue, the outdoor table and chairs, and I am going to vacuum and mop our terrace because there was a lot of fine dust over there since Maxim and his dad installed a shadow sail over our terrace.
You can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no, we can't get enough of the weekend. We wanna seize the night like we can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. No, no. Sometimes I wonder how I managed to get so lost in your eyes. It's like you're made of something pure that I'm not, but I'm so glad you are with me. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this, I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no, you shine brighter, brighter than a
Cleaning this barbecue with the steam cleaner worked really well, so I just cleaned it with the attachment that serves for cleaning outdoor grills, and it got a lot of the burnt stuff away. And after using the steam cleaner, I also wiped it down with a damp cloth, and when I was completely done, I also washed it in the sink like you wash dishes.
diamond. Your shine's lighter, lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than the sunlight. You're lighter than the sunlight. Lighter than the sun. You're lighter than the sunlight. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. Oh no, we can't get enough of the weekend. We wanna seize the night like we can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever get lost to the sun. No, no.
We've been acting out for days, nothing to deny. Blown up because echoes through the halls. You keep sleeping on the couch just to prove.
I really hope we can get some nice barbecue weather because we only used it once this summer, and also we got a lot of attachments with the barbecue for grilling vegetables, etc. And I'm going to wash those by hand, with the exception of one grilling tray that I'm going to steam clean first because it is burnt as well.
The point, I'm too proud to tell you when I'm wrong. Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting thought that we were wiser. Go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. Breathe and we are catching fire. Fire, 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 fire. Treatment ain't no cure, just making it harder. Keep on acting busy on your phone. I just wanna feel your touch, baby, can we stop this? Don't you wanna hold me anymore? Arguments spinning in circles, we're fighting for days, stuck in a phase. I think we're losing the reason.
These plastic table and chairs may not be the prettiest, but I love them because they are so easy to clean. I find it nice when things are pretty, but they also need to be functional for you.
One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames. Breathing, we are catching fire.
And this is just how I am as a person, always singing and dancing around. Even while I'm cleaning, I just try to make things as much fun as they can be.
Catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. Breathing, we are catching fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Fire, fire. Ooh, go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. We're catching fire. One word is all it takes, babe. Bursting out in cold flames. Breathing, we are catching fire. Thought that we were wiser. Go and light the match, babe. Miss out on the good days. Breathing, we are catching fire. Fire, 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 fire.
If you are wondering why I showed you that trash can, you asked for it. There are multiple people asking in my comments to film more of the garbage things, so you ask and I thought why not. But that is our outdoor trash can, but the only thing I put in it are our dog's poos. So you saw me clean one up because she does poo on the terrace sometimes.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer?
Next time I will just brush our terrace before mopping it, but I wanted to do it with the vacuum cleaner this time because there was, that fine dust, as you saw, from hanging up that shadow sail. And I don't know if you are really supposed to mop your terrace, but I just couldn't get the idea of doing so out of my head, so it just needed to be done, even if it's only for once. So do you mop your terrace, yes or no? Let me know, please. And look at how dirty that water is. I find it very satisfying to see that it did have a purpose to mop the terrace. And I want to thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I'll see you next week. Bye!